Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. So today we are going to print even numbers using Python just in one line. So this is the code. I'm just quickly going to explain the code. So first let's understand what's the range function. The range is an inbuilt Python function. It creates a sequence of numbers from 0 to 10 inclusive. In other words, it generates the numbers 0, 1, 2 till 10. Okay. Next, we are going to check if the number is even or not. So this is a conditional statement that checks if a number x is even. So the percentage operator calculates the remainder when x is divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, it means x is divisible by 2, and thus it is an even number. Now, the whole statement, like we are putting the output in the even numbers in the variable. So it's a list comprehension that iterates over each element. So the square brackets, it demonstrates the list in the range from 0 to 10. And only if it satisfied the condition, it's going to give the output. So to print, we are going to check print even numbers. And there we go. So what if we want to change the range? So we can give any range. Maybe we can give the range 111, and we are going to print even numbers, and we have the output in 110. So that's all for today. Let me know if you like the explanation, and try this in your terminal, Python terminal as well. Thank you so much.